The sighting of an astral body at a temple in Madanapalli, a small town in Andhra Pradesh, has sparked off a sensation among seers and spiritualists. The heavenly event occurred recently at the Bhuvaneshwari temple in Madanapalli, about 125 km from Bangalore. The temple is headed by Swami Venkatesh Iyer, a learned priest and scholar of religion and Kannada literature. The astral body descended here on September 16 midnight at 12:57 am and is clearly visible in the CCTV footage. In this recording, one can see the temple campus lighting up just before the spirit descends to the earth. It becomes visible as an illuminated body without any particular shape, like a small cloud of white light floating down. The apparition or heavenly spirit exits out of the TV screen as it descends below the line of the camera. You will soon see the spirit returning after a minute. In fact, after 1 minute and 5 seconds. Just wait. During this time, the play of light continues. One can see flickering lights and shadows when there is no other activity on the screen. Indeed, what you see on screen could be paranormal activity. Spiritualists who have analyzed this video say it could be the manifestation of very high energy. The luminous figure is seen rising back towards the sky. You could see the video once again at the end of the story. But before that, a little bit about this temple. The Bhuvaneshwari temple is set to attract global attention once again when it erects the world's largest Hanuman statue carved out of a single rock. It is 32 feet in length and weighs a mighty 272 tons. The solid rock out of which it was cut weighed 402 tons. It took about 50 sculptors and artisans 6 years to complete this statue. The temple stands out for its marvelous architecture. A beautifully sculpted main gate or gopuram faces the east. On top of the main dome of the shrine, there is the Sri Yantra, also known as the Sri Chakra. It is a very powerful and sacred instrument of worship. Interestingly, this is not the first time that an astral event has been recorded here. This temple has been witness to other astral visitations in the past as well, but this astral event is perhaps one of the rarest sightings in the 21st century anywhere in the world. A lot of study and research would be needed into this event to fully gauge the importance of this heavenly visitation. It's one of those things which could stay unexplained forever.